Hello friends, Nicole Vincent here today. We are checking out this Flexi Hose with nozzle. Now, just a heads up, maybe you want to give a gardening gift. This did come like it came with the label on the outside. Like this is the box it was shipped in. So if that matters to you, just be aware that that might happen. I was a little surprised. It's a hose. This comes in different lengths, so you can find what length works best for you. So it comes in a nice little bag. I don't think I'm ever going to put it back in the bag, but you've got it there. It does come with a nice nozzle, which has lots of different things, good grip, all that good stuff. It even comes with a little thing that you can just stick, kind of like a little door hanger you stick on your spout, and then you can have the hook right there. So that is a nice little addition. Now, if you've never used a flex hose, let me tell you, they are phenomenal. I absolutely love them. They are the best. They are just, they're so, so good. And they last. Now, if you have a puppy that likes to chew, maybe this isn't for you. But it will expand as it fills with water. This has nice all metal attachments and nozzles. So this is going to go, on the spigot on the house. This is going to go on our nozzle, or if you're wanting to hook this to something else. But let me show you the material close up. It's like so stretchy. I will demonstrate this out in the garden, but I just want to show you what this looks like up close. Nice. It's all fabric, and it's gonna stretch, guys. So I'm very, very excited. Let's go test this out in the garden. So here's the end that you'll attach your nozzle to. I'm just going to demonstrate it here just so you can kind of see how the water comes out, but really great metal construction. So you can just water like this. You can hook it up to another hose. You can hook it up to the nozzle it comes with, or as a sprinkler, whatever you need to connect it to. The nozzle is fabulous. It's so easy to use. It has so many different options. I love how lightweight this hose is. It really just makes it so easy to go around the yard without lumpy, heavy hoses. And when you're done, you can just put it up together on the hook that it comes with, or on a different hose reel, or just put it in a basket or a pile near the spigot. But nice and lightweight and so durable. It does come with extra washers too if you need to have it a little bit watertight or it wears down after some time. I hope you enjoy this hose as much as we do.